Hello, and it's been a long time since we did a long video from Shikshangan, and a lot of people have been asking me about what is the way, what is the path for becoming an effective teacher educator. So, आज का वीडियो उसी के ऊपर है that how do you really train yourself, groom yourself to become one of the best teacher educators, an effective one as well as an efficient one. Very clearly, it's not a very easy path to take. It is definitely not an easy road to take. However, when you struggle and when you emerge from there with all the hard work that you're going to do, there will be no match. आप अपना entrance barrier इतना high set कर दोगे that there will not be too many people who will be able to match what you will be delivering through your teacher training courses and whatever you plan for them. So I like to say that if there is no risk of failure, then there can be no success. Therefore, there will be some failure along the way, and we are prepared to take that, aren't we? So, what is the flow of this video going to be? I am going to talk about. Let's understand why is the teacher education so important? क्यों हमको teachers को continuously educate करना है? What does that mean? Why should we do it? Then there are some 5 layers of teaching and coaching targets that we need to keep in mind. That's based on the National Education Policy as well as the NCF. वो उसकी बात होगी. Then what is the core essential skills that you need to develop as a teacher educator or a teacher trainer कह लीजिए आप या coach कह लीजिए आप. What are the skills that you need to develop in yourself which are very different from the skills that you have as in classroom teaching for students? And then how do you build these 4 skills? Once that we say that these are the 4 skills which you require, and how do you create basic training content? आज इस वीडियो में कुछ बेसिक ट्रेनिंग कंटेंट की ही बात होगी and also these steps that you need to take before you can even dream of creating content. It's a hard road, my friends, but it's so worth taking. Now, first of all, why should we bother about teacher training? इतने सारे टीचर ट्रेनर्स हैं, आप लिंक्डइन खोलिए, everybody is doing some coaching or the other. CBSE has got COE, they're putting up a lot of trainers. इतने सारे हैं, and you will wonder, but my God, why should I do it? So one of the first things that I like to say is that if as a country we can take care of our schools and our hospitals, we can become a prosperous nation. ये 2 चीज़ों के ऊपर ध्यान दें, health and education. That's one of the reasons. Okay. The second thing is that artificial intelligence, now AI. Actually, the problem is that smart people created AI. Now, AI thinks that it is smart and people are dumb. Okay, this is what is happening. But anyway, it is sweeping changes everywhere, and there is a threat looming on many jobs except teaching. जो भी हो जाए, AI आ जाए, digital boards आ जाए, everybody might say your teacher will get replaced, but I'm telling you, believe me, no one can replace the human teacher. Okay. Lastly, I think that when you become a worthy teacher educator, not only are you preparing teachers, you're also preparing entrepreneurs, because once you become a teacher educator, आपको किसी नौकरी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You will be able to give jobs, and in that sense, you become a teacher educator. And of course, most importantly, educating teachers, I believe, is analogous to nation building. और कोई अच्छा मुद्दा हो ही नहीं सकता rather than can I educate this nation till the last child sitting on the last bench in the last school, wherever it may be in my beautiful country. So this is some of the reasons why we should focus on teacher training. Now, what are some of the targets that we need to keep in mind जब हम अपने आप को एक teacher educator की तरह develop करना चाहते हैं? What are some targets? This is based on NEP as well as NCF. Right at the center, we should keep the goals. It is nothing but good learning for all the students who come into my school. What are these? What is this learning? Making sure that the children acquire concepts and skills and facts and values and vocabulary in all the subjects. Who is responsible for doing this? Teachers are responsible for making sure that all the students are able to achieve all these targets. Now, who is responsible for ensuring that the teachers do it? School principals are responsible for ensuring that continuous professional development, usko hum CPD keh rahe hain, continuous professional development of teachers, it is mandated as 50 hours in a year. This is something that we need to make sure that the teachers go through. फालतू का ट्रेनिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be solid coaching which is going to really make a dramatic difference in their teaching once they enter the classrooms. And that is why this video has been made specially. By the way, do like and subscribe to the Shikshangan channel. We bring you top class content. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं भी होगा मगर जब भी हम लाते हैं it is well researched and top class. So do like, do watch till the end. If you're interested in knowing how to change your career from a teacher to a teacher educator, these are very simple things that you need to keep in mind. Lastly, the school boards, whether it is CBSE, ICSE, IB, जो भी हो, जहाँ पे भी हो, they are bound by the NEP, by the National Education Policy, and the principals also need to go through this 50 hours of mandatory training. तो आप देखिए कि as a teacher educator बहुत काम है भाई. I mean, there's a lot of work that we need to do and काम रुका हुआ है. बस आपको अपने आप को, you have to develop yourself to be a top class teacher educator because there are hundreds of them. All right, and you need to be the differentiator. And how do you do that? Let's go by what we say about what are some of the core essentials that you require as a human being when you want to become a teacher educator. I think this is something that I have put together from my own experience. My journey has also been from a classroom teacher to a coordinator to a vice principal to a school principal and finally to becoming a teacher educator. तो वो एक आपको एक rigor उसमें होता है, वो journey है, and that is something that you need to go through. Many of you must be at some stage of either a teacher or a school principal, wherever you are in this journey. From there, मैंने ये draw out किया हुआ है. One thing is, what are the behaviors which are indicating for you to become an efficient as well as an effective teacher educator? I think the critical attribute of such a human being जो teacher educator बनना चाहता है या चाहती है is not only having a lot of information about pedagogical content knowledge as well as many things else that happens in the teaching learning cycle, but also knowing how to act upon it. Second, preparing to become a teacher educator should not be कि भाई what is the latest internet पे क्या चल रहा है चलो मैं उसी के ऊपर एक module बना दूँ. No. You need to be thinking what are the teachers being bothered about? What are the questions the teachers have in mind? What are the things to which they don't seem to be finding solutions? Those questions which are coming up in the teaching learning cycle, they don't have instant answers. उसको हमें पकड़ना है and we need to develop content on that. This becomes your spur. This becomes your guiding force that from your own experience as a teacher and also you also know what is it that the teachers don't know and you're listening very carefully to their needs and then you start thinking about what is the content to be developed and then you develop it. As a teacher educator, you should be interested in observing कि मैंने इतना कुछ किया. So ऐसा नहीं that you train and you move on to the next school and move on to the next school. You need to be bothered about seeing that is there any change which is happening in the teacher's practice or not. After I did something, that is your feedback to improve yourself because it's a continuous journey. There is no slow and shortcut method to being the best teacher educator you want to be. There are 4 key skills, I believe, that you need to build when you want to become a teacher educator. Apart from communication skills, etc., हमें उसके पहले किन चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना है? I call it a virtuous cycle of professional development. First and foremost, listen. Listen all the time and keenly observe the teachers around you कि भाई क्या हो रहा है? What's going on in the schools? What are they bothered about? Which means before becoming a teacher educator, it's good that if you are a teacher already in a school and you're observing and you're listening, ये मेरा मानना है, कुछ लोगों को शायद अच्छा ना लगे, that if you're never taught in a school, you can never become an efficient teacher educator and an effective one. You have to go through the grind. You have to have taught a course for several years in a school and then you listen and you keenly observe. Second, you must be open to continuous learning. Just because आज का ये fad है, internet पे ready-made slides मिल रहे हैं, and then I don't need to learn anything further, you will be a poor teacher educator. People will see through you. 1-2 बार आपको बुलाएंगे, बाद में नहीं बुलाएंगे. So your own growth, your own presentation of what you're doing, your own examples that you cite have to be continuously growing and you have to be open to that learning. How will this happen? एक तो ऑब्जर्वेशन से हो जाएगा, सेकंड यू हैव टू बी रीडिंग अ लॉट माय फ्रेंड्स, इसके लिए आपको वक्त निकालना पड़ेगा. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स टू बिकम मास्टर ट्रेनर्स. एक दिक्कत ये है हमारे देश में कि कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं. I'm saying this with a lot of confidence. I have done this for a lot of people that who come to us and say to Shikshangan, I want to become a teacher educator. Bhai, padho to. You know, the last time that they have read something is when they were writing their B.Ed exam or then their content books. So you need to be engaging in professional reading and discussion. And I'm going to have a slide on each of these 4 skills. So bear with me and watch this video till the end of how do you develop each of these. ये होने के बाद ही you will be able to develop content. So this means it's a journey. You look, you observe, you get a feedback. What is the gap? What do I need to prepare? Then you are willing to learn yourself. You read a lot. You engage in discussion professionally. उसके बाद आप content की तरफ जा सकते हैं. This is the virtuous cycle, I think, for you to be becoming, even dreaming for becoming a teacher educator. All right, let's look at each one of them. Firstly, keenly observe and listen. Are we listening with empathy? आप जानते हैं 55% वक्त हमारी जिंदगी का हम सिर्फ सुनने में लगा देते हैं. But are we listening carefully? Are we listening to understand the other person's needs, moods, desires, behaviors? क्या जानते हैं, क्या चाहते हैं वो हमसे? So listen carefully. All right. Entrepreneurship, any kind of entrepreneurship is actually built on relationship with others. If you ask me, मेरे बैंक में कितना रुपया है तो शायद कुछ नहीं है, but I have a huge bank balance of networking and relationships with lot of individuals and I feel so blessed because of that. और ये हो जाएगा if you want to become a teacher educator. Teach yourself to listen, to identify the gaps in understanding. क्या चर्चा होती रहती है? Listen to that carefully, to understand others and appreciate their needs. Underlying value to be developed is empathy for what they are struggling with. So listen very carefully before you start thinking of what should I develop. Second skill, remain open to continuous learning. हम कोई एक दिन में तो इतने बड़े नहीं हो गए जो हो गए. Okay, everything takes time and learning is also a lifelong journey. Be aware. I don't have to say this, हम सब जानते हैं. If you're watching this video, clearly you're highly educated and you want to educate yourself further, otherwise अब तक तो आपने बंद कर दिया होता. If you're watching, I am blessed that you are watching and you want to become a teacher educator. Be aware that सिर्फ degree and certificate से कुछ नहीं होता. Everybody has a craze for certificate. उससे क्या होता है? I mean, good learning has to take place slowly. All right, degrees and certificates may be important to collect, but that's not the end of learning. As you travel through life, learning happens by gathering data through all your senses and with a lot of reading. सुनते रहिए and उसको process करते रहिए and also पढ़ते रहिए and then maybe आपको थोड़ा idea आएगा कि क्या करना चाहिए. Okay, I'm suggesting a few reading material ideas here. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप इसी को सिर्फ देखें, but this is something we recommend from Shikshangan. There are not many good journals or magazines in our country. Teacher Plus is good. It's published from Hyderabad. And then some of the books that I have written over here, what I'm going to do is in the first comment of this video, I will be giving a list of books that every aspiring teacher educator should be first reading. And उसको बिल्कुल छान मारिए आप, उसको जड़ तक चले जाइए आप. It will take you time, but that's worth it. All right, so we will be giving you that list. But we do recommend some of these books that I have mentioned on this slide. एक अजीम प्रेमजी यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस, APU प्रेस के भी कुछ free downloadable magazines आते हैं. I Wonder is for science, At Right Angles is for math, Learning Curve is for all the subjects. Read everything. It's all free. You don't have to spend money for anything, and I will be giving you a list as I said. That's the second, third skill. What is the fourth skill? ये सब होने के बाद you have to develop some basic pedagogical content. ज़्यादा जल्दी में ना रहें. Rome was not built in a day. It takes time to reach where you want to reach, and that's the beauty. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the process. All right. But basic pedagogical content आप develop करने लगिए, for which you can see a little bit on the internet, but use your own judgment and your own reading. I would say lesson planning से start करना अच्छी idea है, because the lesson planning actually talks about what to teach, that's the learning outcomes and objective, how to teach, which is the pedagogical practice, how do I know whether my students are getting it, which is nothing but assessment, और ये teaching learning cycle जो lesson plan में नजर आती है, सब कुछ उसी में तो है. Everything about teaching and learning is in what to teach, how do I know whether my students are getting it, and this is in the lesson plan. So that could be something, how to create a good lesson plan. From there, you can move to pedagogical content, which is effective teaching strategies. There are so many actually on the internet ki bauchlaye jaye, but choose those which are research based and strong. Maybe 3, maybe 2, maybe just 1 till you master it is what you should say, that, you know, I'm good at project based learning, or I know how to do a training in experiential learning, और मैं बता सकती हूँ आगे कि interdisciplinary learning कैसे होता है. So 1 or 2 things you should master and start with that. Third, classroom management. No B.Ed course is talking about classroom management and all those four principles of classroom management, rules and procedures, punishment का क्या, teacher-student relationship, teacher's own mental set, etc. उसके ऊपर भी आप कुछ काम कर सकते हो. And then the 4th basic module I think is on assessment. Because assessment के सिवाय क्या है? Assessment is what is driving the teaching actually. So assessment, all kinds. What are the various tools of assessment, right up to from rating scale to rubric, सब कुछ आप उसके बारे में पढ़िए. Watch many of our videos at Shikshangan videos. There is playlists of videos on assessment, playlist on lesson planning, playlist on effective pedagogy, as well as a playlist on classroom management. आप उसको गौर से देखिए and develop your own content accordingly. You don't need to go anywhere. हमने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है, बहुत simple तरह से पेश किया है. Maybe you might find it useful as you are becoming a teacher educator. Second layer of your content can then be a little bit more complex ideas like interdisciplinary art integration. How do you build student vocabulary? आप हिंदुस्तान में किसी से भी पूछो कहीं भी भाई, how do you introduce a new word? एक ही जवाब मिलता है मुझे भारत में पूरा, कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी. They will say, underline the word and write the meaning of the word and use the word in a sentence of your own. निम्नलिखित शब्दों का वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. बाप रे, थक गए सुन के. But there are so many wonderful strategies of developing vocabulary. We have a whole playlist in our channel. Do take a look at that. Then higher layer of bringing critical thinking into the classroom and collaborative teaching, powerful ideas like the jigsaw, the reciprocal reading, snowballing, envoying, and so many others which you can build in your repertoire. I think this should be sufficient for you for 5 years. Money up. If you can master these 8 ideas that I've talked about, it will take you a long time. And developing content and giving examples, you are on a solid ground before you add other layers to your repertoire. Last word. Always bring humor in the class. Okay? Humor se darna nahi hai. It might be all around you in the class all the time. Make it fun. Don't be too earnest. Don't take yourself very seriously. Take your work seriously. Magar let there be laughter and fun when you are coaching. For example, whoever stole my copy of Microsoft Office is in big trouble. You have my word. वहाँ पे एक humor है, okay? Because it's a Word document we're talking about. Then, how long will it take for you to become an effective educator? आप सोच रहे होगे, my God, पता नहीं क्या क्या बता रहे हैं. इसके लिए तो मुझे मुद्दत, I might take lots of time, but no. It's all about how much work you are willing to put in, how much time you have at your disposal. It is a long journey. There are no shortcuts, I know, but it is not a very difficult one. Hundreds of slide decks are available on the internet, मगर वो आपके नहीं है. You can take them for some ideas, but develop your own content. There is so much content on the Shikshangan YouTube channel. आप देखिए उसको. ज़रूर उसको लीजिए. If you want some slides, write to me. I will be more than happy to share the slides with you. Write to me and I will give it to you, because the more teacher educators there are, the better this nation is going to be. Teacher training is analogous to nation building, as I said on my first slide. You have to work hard, read vociferously, and create your own content. But that's the fun part. आसानी से जिंदगी में कुछ मिल जाए तो उसमें क्या मजा है? The struggle is the fun part, right? Because then you emerge so victorious from it. Don't try to run the race, walk the path, walk the talk as well. All right. I love this statement by Maya Angelou because आप जब teacher trainer बन जाओगे, फिर then schools you'll find कि काम ही नहीं मिल रहा है. Nobody is willing to spend on teacher training because you should become so good that you charge high. All right. And then they say we have no budget. So tell them. If some schools tell you that, what if we invest in our people and then they leave? The more danger is, what if you don't invest in them and they stay? Then you have lousy people all the time. And therefore, teacher education is a journey without an end, my friend. Be one. Write to me for any kind of help and assistance you want. I will willingly share whatever content you like. Okay? Good luck. Like, follow our channel, share forward. Thank you for watching.